Essential items for breastfeeding: clothing and accessories. Nursing brass provides support and makes breastfeeding convenient with easy access clips. Nursing tops, dresses, designed with discreet openings for hassle-free feeding. Breast pads, disposable or reusable pads to absorb leakage and prevent stains on clothing. Breastfeeding support gear. Nipple cream, natural-based creams to soothe cracked or sore nipples. Breast pump, for expressing milk when you're away or to relieve engorgement. Milk storage bags, BPA-free bags for storing expressed milk in the refrigerator or freezer. Nursing pillow, helps position your baby comfortably during feeding, reducing strain on your back and arms. Hygiene essentials. Breast wipes, gentle, baby-safe wipes for quick cleaning of the nipples. Sterilizer, to sanitize breast pump parts and bottles. Baby essentials for breastfeeding. Burp cloths, to clean up milk dribbles or spit-ups. Bibs, prevents milk from soaking into your baby's clothes. Breastfeeding cover, provides privacy in public if you prefer. Nutrition and health. Breastfeeding friendly diet, foods rich in protein, calcium, and omega-3s to support milk production and energy levels. Prenatal vitamins, continue taking these to ensure your milk is nutrient-rich. Herbal teas for lactation, fenugreek or milk thistle teas to support milk supply. Emergency essentials. Cold compress or gel pads, for relief from engorgement or swelling. Manual pump, a lightweight backup for quick milk expression. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.